Today we'll talk about terms operation. We'll define what a term is and how to operate them. A term always has a sign, except 0. 0 does not have a sign. So what a sign does is like a road sign. It tells us the direction to go. A positive sign tells us to go to the positive direction. So here we start from 0. There's positive sign. We go to the positive direction. By how many? By 2. So we are here. A negative sign tells us to go to the negative direction. So we start from 0 and we go to the left by 2. And we are here. Imagine there's no sign, so just a 2. And we start from 0 and we are either here or here. And we don't know. So terms always has a sign. So we can define a term is a sign with value. So I can say the sign is always attached to the value, or the value is always following a sign. Like positive 6, negative 4, negative 9, etc. So what term does is that the terms tell us to do something. So, for example, I have some terms here. Let's do some calculation using the number 9. So it's always start from 0. We go to the left by 3, negative 3, and then positive 4. And then we are here. But what if I exchange the order of these terms and do the calculation again? So we have positive 4 and then negative 3. And we are here. Positive 1 again. So because these terms are independent, their own meaning will not be altered by the terms around them. So we can do them in any order we want, and we will still achieve the same results. Even for more terms, like 3 terms, 4 terms, n terms, we can exchange the order in any way we want. Next, let's talk about operators. So this is a plus operator and this is minus operator. And they look exactly the same as the positive sign and the negative sign. So they are operators that operate the term after them. So it tells us to do something to the term next to them for these two operators. For plus, is actually do nothing to the term next to it. So in here we have 3 plus negative 4. And because the plus does nothing, so it's actually positive 3, negative 4. And the minus sign tells us to reverse the sign of the next term. In here we have 3 minus negative 4. And reverse of negative 4 is positive 4. So then we have 3 positive 4. In here we have 3 minus positive 4. So we reverse the sign of positive 4 And then we have negative 4, followed by the 3. Another way to look at this plus and minus is that the plus means and do. So it's like 3 and do negative 4. So positive 3, negative 4. Minus is like and do the reverse of. So we have positive 3 and do the reverse of negative 4. So we have positive 3, positive 4. And here we have positive 3 minus positive 4. So positive 3 and do the reverse of positive 4. So we have positive 3, negative 4.